One of our best sellers in London. Excel Apartments Bloomsbury 2, a property with a terrace, is located in London, a 17-minute walk from British Museum, 1.4 kilometers from Royal Opera House, as well as a 19-minute walk from Theatre Royal Drury Lane. Guests might enjoy the free Wi-Fi. The apartment comes with a flat-screen TV, a seating area, a kitchen with a dishwasher, and a bathroom. St Paul's Cathedral is 1 kilometer from Excel Apartments Bloomsbury 2. London City Airport is 12.9 kilometers from the property. City of London is a great choice for travelers interested in history, city trips and city walks. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.